Eva and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I have a shrimp and avocado Chipotle style burrito for you guys today. But before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and a little bell so you don't miss out on my videos. Alright, let's get started. So with my last couple of videos, I was a little bit inspired and wanted really badly to make some sort of burrito or bowl, kind of like Bubakoos or Chipotle does. So if you haven't seen them already, definitely make sure to check out my other two videos on this kind of shrimp and avocado salad and our Chipotle rice. So today, all we're going to be doing, if you haven't seen those, definitely check them out because that's exactly what I did here today. And I'm going to be using this as our filling, and then our meat, our avocado, all that kind of stuff, and our rice with our dressing instead of using, you know, sour cream or the different things that they have there. And then I'm going to make a little burrito out of it. So all you're going to need is that salad, your rice, the dressing from the salad, and a little wrap. Whatever kind of wrap you guys want to use. You can use pita bread if you want to use pita bread. You can use whatever you want. I wish I had like whole wheat or the spinach wraps, but that's all I had on hand. So let me just grab my apron and we'll get started. Alright, now I know everyone kind of does their own thing when it comes to those types of stores, like the fast casual dining and like, you know, and like a conveyor belt. I want this and this and this and this and this. So I'm going to keep it simple and use these ingredients. If you guys want, you can add cheese to this, you can add black beans, you can add different meat, you can do whatever it is that you want. But I'm just going to keep it simple here today. So I'm actually going to start off with some of our dressing, I think. That's what I'm going to do. Kind of dollop this around here, make a little bit of a spread. Then I'm going to do some rice. Alright. Then I'm going to go in with some of our salad. Now, one of the reasons it inspired me to make something like this is because when I just went the other day to Chipotle, I asked for the shrimp because I told you guys I've been craving like shellfish and like shrimp. So I got the shrimp one, and then I'm sitting there thinking like, well, I usually get rice, I usually get the guac, so we have our avocados in here, I usually get the pico, so we have, you know, the onions and the tomatoes. So I was like, why don't I just try and put this inside of a burrito and see how it comes out. Now the trick is going to be folding this bad boy, so let's see how I want to do that. Oh, we need foil. Okay, got our foil. So let's scoop this stuff on out of here so I have some room. Okay. I think they usually go like the sides and then fold it over, I think. Oh, I think they usually heat up the burrito too, but it's fine. We have our little burrito, guys. I'm going to take some foil. Kind of wrap our burrito in it. And we have our little Chipotle burrito. Alright guys, so we have our little burrito here. I can't wait to try this. And just kind of peel back foil a little bit and we'll take a bite. Oh, 1 second. I'm dying right now, you guys. How good does this look? Tastes so good. can't wait to finish that once I finish filming. But that was so good, you guys. Definitely let me know what you think in the comment section below. Let me know what your favorite thing is to order at Chipotle or Bubakoos or that type of food. Everyone I know orders something different down the line. So definitely let me know what you think in the comment section below. Let me know if you tried this and what you guys thought. If you prefer it in a salad, if you prefer it in a bowl or in a wrap like this. I thought it was amazing. But let me know in the comment section below. But that's all I have for this video today, you guys. I hope you liked it. I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss none of my videos. If you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes right to your inbox, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Bye.